Oh my god! Oh. How's it going, guys? I'm Steven and welcome back to the channel. So today I'm going to be reviewing the Harley Davidson Evoking. So let's get into it. So as you can see, getting on it was a little bit nervous because I've never ridden a bike like this before. But as you can see later in the video, that it's just a lot of fun. I say it's so low down, it's light, it's got a lot of torque to it. It's 1800cc engine and 93 brake horsepower, which it doesn't sound a lot, but it's got so much torque to it as well. I think it's about 153 newton meters of torque, but it means it's got some, you know, it's got some guts to it. But no, I think even turn it on, so simple. I mean, listen to that. That sounds so nice. I could definitely see myself having one of these in my garage at one point. I mean, look at that. Beautiful. Oh, it definitely got some power. Jeez. God, blimey. Wow. I think because it hasn't got a wind fairing, I can feel the wind a lot more hitting my chest than I would really think it would. But it definitely got some low down torque. Jeez. Oh my god. Oh. Wow. I think it's more the fact that the wind's hit my chest and it feels like it's going to rip my arms off. But it handles so nice. Ah! I'll get a lot of wind though. God, just feel shit. I think it definitely could do with a fairing, but if you're going for the depth of Spain and everything else, this will be perfect. Just cruise along the coast in the hot summer. Oh. I'll quickly pull over because I didn't know where the side stands. It's off, yeah. I mean, that's certainly got a lot of power to it. I mean, just look at the bike it is, it's absolutely immense. Now, I mean, look at the new headlights and everything else, but solid metal, 1800cc engine. I mean, the panniers are massive as well, but I think if you're cruising through Spain and everything else, that was absolutely the bike to do it for. I mean, maybe you could probably put a big wind fairing on it and everything else, but 93 horsepower, that's not bad for a bike with that torque's got a lot of low down torque and everything else. But I think absolutely bike that you would appreciate riding over like course of Spain and everything else. But yeah, everything about it just like so sleek, it's smooth. So I've never ridden a cruiser like this before, but I say you definitely feel, you know, nice. And it's lightweight as well, a lot lightweight. I think the only thing I feel, but I think because I'm a short rider, the handlebars could be a little bit more further back, and trying to reach the side stand was a little bit stretched, but other than that, it feels nice. I say it could do a wind fairing, but I say if you're going through Spain or the hot scorching deserts, you know, all that wind flow is going to be so nice. It pulls off as easy as well. I mean, even the twisted throttle just, it feels like it's going to rip your arms off. Jeez. Anything with a big engine is such a beast. Alright, let's go. shit. Oh Christ. Yeah, don't try clutch to shift it. That really jolts you. Oh, it's so nice. Oh wow. I mean, you do feel nice, you feel laid back, you feel you can actually enjoy a ride. I mean you can really imagine yourself going for the depths of like Europe or Germany, cruising along, taking every single bit of the world that has to offer in and just enjoying it. Or even in America on the Route 66, that would be nice. And I think it does have cruise control as well. I'm not exactly sure how it works. No idea. Oh, there we go. I think you just tap it and then you just press it and then, yeah man, you can just cruise. Yeah, this is nice. You get the real Harley Davidson experience. I say you don't notice the weight. You would imagine it being quite heavy, but being so light, it's not so bad. Oh, is it on? I don't know if it's on or not. I've no idea. Oh, it turns just as smooth, which is nice. I also know if my indicator's still blinking though. Unless it's automatic cuts off, so. I mean, I know you can lean these, but I wouldn't want to lean it. Not properly. I've seen people in Europe in Harley Davidsons like proper leaning these bikes. It is nice though, very nice. Let's go, right, shall we? Cook it. Yeah, I think if you full rev it, it does cut out a little bit. So it probably limits it on you. Probably stops you over revving. I mean, being modern as well, it's really comfortable. I mean, even though my arms feel like they're stretched out, but super comfortable. It's neutral. Kickstand down, which is got to kick it over. Oh, blimey! There we go. Now I think if you're definitely looking for a nice touring bike. And I would do recommend if you're a beginner rider, this is the bike to do it on. If you're not sure what you want, have a go on these bikes. But now I think if you're really looking for some nice touring distance and you want a bit more comfort and you enjoy the scenery, definitely a bike to do it on. I highly recommend it. Right, let's get back to the store. Oh, there we go. Let's go. If you're looking for a bike like this, it's definitely a bike that is not for speed. It's just for enjoying the cruise. That's what I think. I think that's one thing I do notice is that without these British roads being so, you don't notice the bumps that much. but it is nice, it certainly is nice. There we are. Anyway, like it, subscribe it, you know what to do.